Hi all, in this video I would like to explain about paging systems. Paging system means a type of communication system that are used to transmit a message to a receiver or to a subscriber. And depending upon the type of service or depending upon the type of paging system, the messages can be numeric or alphanumeric or even voice messages. And the brief message is termed or technically termed as a page. And the main aim or the main working or the main motto of this kind of paging systems are to notify a subscriber or a user of a particular paging system to or notify them to need to call a particular telephone number or travel to a known location to receive further instruction. Likewise, that type of service are provided by this kind of paging system. And in modern paging systems, there are different additional features or add-on features are available, such as news headlines, stock quotations, and faxes. Even faxes may be sent through a paging system. And these messages can be sent to a paging subscriber via or through paging system access number. Like any telephone system or mobile communication system, certain kind of access number or telephone numbers similar to telephone numbers, paging system access numbers are available. And by entering this number through a telephone keypad or a modem, a user or a transmitter can send messages or page to a particular subscriber, and this issued message is known as a page. And the paging system transmits this page throughout the service area using base stations. And this base station, like mobile communication, in paging system also there will be or there are several base stations, and this base station broadcasts the page on a radio carrier. And the paging system or the coverage area of paging system may varies depending upon, or the type of paging system may vary depending upon the complexity and coverage area. Mostly simple paging system can coverage up to or have limited range up to 2 km to 5 km, and they are confined only to some individual buildings. And wide paging system or wide area network paging system can provide worldwide coverage. And the paging system consists of network lines and transmitters, base station or large towers, and they can simultaneously broadcast a page from each base station called simulcasting. And these simulcast transmitters may be located within the same service area or in different cities. And this type of paging system require large transmitter power or and low data rates for maximum or for ensuring maximum coverage from each base station. Coming to the block diagram of a paging system or a type of paging system, it can convert or it can transmit messages to PSTN or while or by using a PSTN network. The paging control system or the paging control center can be controlled, or a number can be entered to the paging control center. And there are different transmitting lines like landline links are available, and these landline links are used to connect through the paging terminal or different paging terminal that may be situated at different cities. City 1, city 2 and city n are indicated in this diagram. And through different base stations, the paging terminal will be able to receive or access the messages or page from the system or from the paging system. That's all about this topic. Thanks for watching.